I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to sort items in the Microsoft Excel mobile app. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Excel app on your iPhone or Android device and open the spreadsheet containing the data you want to sort. Step 2. Tap the column letter at the top of the screen for the column you want to sort your data by. This will highlight the entire column. Step 3. Tap the edit icon at the top of the screen, which looks like a letter A with a pencil. Step 4. Make sure Home is selected in the menu at the bottom of the screen and then tap Sort and Filter in this menu. Step 5. Tap Sort Ascending if you want to organize your data from A to Z or smallest to largest, or tap Sort Descending to organize it from Z to A or largest to smallest. Step 6. Excel will automatically expand the selection to include the rest of your table so that your rows stay together during the sort. If you find that your headers are getting mixed into your sorted data, you should make sure that Excel recognizes the top row as a header row. You can usually fix this by tapping the square at the top left of the sheet to select all cells, tapping the edit icon again, scrolling down this menu and tapping Sort and Filter, and then tapping Show Filter buttons. Once the filter arrows appear at the top of your columns, you can tap the arrow in the specific column header you want to organize. This opens a dedicated sorting panel that ensures your titles stay fixed at the top while the rest of the information moves around them. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.